Good morning, my all dear students of class 12th A. Students, in the previous video of this chapter, Partnership Retirement, we have discussed that how can we calculate the new ratio when an old partner is being retired. Today we will discuss the gaining ratio. Calculation of gaining ratio. Okay. So first of all, let me tell you that what is the meaning of gaining ratio. I have told you that if there is three partner A, B and C, and they are taking the profit 1:1. It means when any of the partner will retire, it means if A will retire, his share will be transferred to B and C. It means the old share of B and C will be increased. There may be any situation when only one partner is gaining, or if there will be any situation when both the partners will be gaining but there will be some gain in the ratio of old partner. So that is called the gaining ratio. It means when the retiring partner gives his share to the remaining partner, the old partner of the old ratio of remaining partner will be increased, and that increment will be called gaining ratio. So how can we calculate gaining ratio? There is a formula of gaining ratio is new ratio minus old ratio. The formula of gaining ratio will be new ratio minus old ratio. Let's move to the illustration part. Here's this illustration. X, Y, Z are partners. Their profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:1. We have to calculate the gaining and the new ratio when X retires and Y retires and when Z retires. When X will retire, the gaining ratio will be 2:1. When Y will retire, the gaining ratio will be 3:1. When Z will retire, the gaining ratio will be 3:2. And these will be new ratios. How we have calculated that? Here you can see the old ratio was 3:1, and when X will retire, Y and Z will share 2:1. If any further information will not be given, at that time new ratio and gaining ratio will be the same. In this question, any further information was not there, so the new ratio will be their gaining ratio. But if any further information will be given, as in the illustration number 6, that A, B, C are partners sharing profit and loss ratio in the ratio of 3:4:3:2, and their new ratio will be 5:4. At that time, we have to calculate the gaining ratio. So formula of gaining ratio will be A's old share will be A's new share will be 5/9 according to this, and A's old share will be 4/9 according to that. So it will be 1/9, and C's gaining ratio will be 2/9. So gaining ratio will be 1:2. Okay. So let me tell you the difference between sacrificing and gaining ratio. In the when a new partner will admit in the firm, it means in the partnership admission, the old partner have to sacrifice their share, have to give some profit sharing ratio to the new partner. At that time they have to sacrifice their share. It means there we will calculate sacrificing ratio. But when a partner is being retired from the firm, at that time we need not to give anything, but we will receive something. His share. So at that time the old ratio of the remaining partner will be increased, and at that time they will gain something. Meaning, I have told you when are it calculated. Sacrificing ratio will be calculated at the time of admission, and gaining ratio will be calculated at the time of retirement or death. Formula of sacrificing ratio will be old minus new, and formula of gaining will be new minus old. Okay. Purpose of calculation. At that time, means at the time of admission, sacrificing ratio will be calculated to divide the goodwill, and when the old partner is being retired, at that time gaining ratio will be calculated to pay the goodwill. It means goodwill will be paid to the retiring partner in the gaining ratio. So in the next class we will discuss the accounting treatment of goodwill, and after that we will discuss the revaluation and treatment of reserve and undistributed profit. Till then, keep practicing, and if you have any doubt, any query, and anything if you want to ask, you can ask. Our school is always there to help you out in all your need. Till then, bye bye students.